Hi guys, are you ready for a rice dish that's not just incredibly flavorful but also beautifully aromatic and packed with protein? Today we are bringing you a timeless classic from Indian cuisine, the delicious Paneer Pulao. This isn't just plain rice, we are talking about fluffy, fragrant basmati grains infused with earthy notes of whole spices, stirred with tender green peas, and highlighted by those succulent golden fried paneer cubes. It's a complete meal in itself, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, a festive lunch, or an elegant addition to any Indian feast. It's easy, it's wholesome, and it's utterly delicious. So whether you're a vegetarian looking for a hearty meal or simply a fan of aromatic rice dish, this recipe is a must try. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So now let's begin. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 250 grams paneer cut in small pieces and fry the paneer until it is nice and golden brown. Fry it until it is nice and crispy on the outside and soft inside. Also make sure the flame is not too high. Fry it on a medium to low flame, regularly mixing it. As you can see that the paneer has perfectly cooked now. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside in a separate bowl. Then in a same pan add 30 to 35 cashew nuts and fry it until it is nice and golden brown. As you can see that the cashew nuts has got a nice golden brown color. When ready, simply leave it in a separate bowl. Then in a same pan add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 7 cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 7 green cardamom, 1 star anise, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 green chili chopped, 3 large carrots cut in small cubes. Fry it until the carrots are nice and soft. So the carrots are nice and soft now. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup green peas and fry it until the peas are nice and soft. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, and fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Until the masalas are nicely cooked with the vegetables. Then add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter and then fry the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the rice is nicely cooked with the ghee. Then add 4 cups water. Add some salt to taste. Add 4 stock cubes. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 80% cooked. So the rice is cooked about 80% now. Then give it a nice mix. Then add fried paneer and cashew nuts. Add 1 cup fried onion. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the rice is perfectly cooked now, but it is slightly moist. Then cover it and cook it on a low flame for about 5 minutes. So the Paneer Pulao is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own beautifully aromatic and perfectly fluffy Paneer Pulao. Just look at that complex, wholesome and delicious meal all in one pot. It's a true treatment to how simple ingredients can create something truly spectacular. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's a perfect dish for a quick and easy dinner or for when you want to impress without any fuss. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you thought. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.